Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to backup WordPress site. First of all, go to plugins and click on add new. In the search box, type updraft and press enter. Here you need to install the plugin. Click on install now. Once you install it, click on activate. As you can see, when we go to setting, here you can see updraft plus backup. Click on it. Now you can see the backup now option. Click on backup now. I'll allow it and now click on backup now again.
As you can see, processing has started.
Okay, my backup has been completed. When you scroll down, you can see the backup here. This is how you can backup WordPress website. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.